Hi, this is Merlin. Today I'm gonna talk about what I learned today. So, wait, hold on. Merlin's right back. So actually, I'm trying to implement tree shaking feature on my bundler, and and uh and to the reason I'm trying to make tree shaking feature because in my bundler is because every bundle has tree shaking feature, but also I really want to solve the question of uh, of like common JS versus ESM in 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 the perspective of tree shaking. So because people saying that a lot of blogs saying that in terms of tree shaking, um, common ESM is better than common JS, and I really want to figure out why, because it's saying that if you use ESM, um, Bundler could figure out the could doing this could analyze statically, but the thing is that recur is Bundler can recur is dynamic. But my question is, there is no code execution of Bundler, but how does it analyze the static or dynamic thing? And I think to solve this question, I have to understand what is tree shaking, how tree shaking works, and I try to look at it. And in 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 the view of tree shaking, the core feature is um, abstract syntax tree. It uses abstract syntax tree to analyze the how JavaScript works, um, rather than executing the JavaScript. So based on that, it analyzes the code, that code, and it removes it. But my question is, um, but why does ESM is better than CommonJS in terms of tree shaking? So my hypothesis is this: when trying to use tree shaking feature, when you're trying to use when you're trying to use tree shaking feature, when you're trying to use tree shaking feature, there's an expression statement, and this execution statement is the code execute like function calls and other things. So, but the thing is that if you use CommonJS, this um, this this even this require is expression statement. So uh, which means that expression statement is the one who executes the code. I think. But the thing is that uh, to do the tree shaking, you need to analyze the the dependency graph based on the code, who runs the code, which function execute the code. But if this require the expression statement is if it is inside some code like function or class, it could be uh, not understandable to analyze to construct dependency graph, because it's just breaking the law of the calling the function, or because require is treated as like function calls like expression statement. So to analyze the dependency is, I think, is difficult. So let's see, I think this is my theory, but let's see import statement. Let's see this part, import statement. Let's see this part. Let's see how it compiles. Yes, it use import. It use import declaration, but the recur is, as we can see, it was expression statement. So I think based on that, there's a big difference of it. Big difference of expression state, how that how it construct dependency graph, because there's a if you're using a require, it treated as expression statement, and it could lead us bad dependency graph. This is my theory. So this is what I learned today. Yeah, sorry. I was really busy and I forgot it to take a video. So tomorrow will be different. Bye bye.